In this video, I'm going to show you how to join groups in Instagram in 2024. So this is actually quite easy. All you have to do is first open up your Instagram and go to the very bottom left where there's that home icon. So just press on it. And from here, you want to navigate yourself to your direct messages. Now the way you do this is by going to top right on your screen. As you can see, there's the direct message icon. Simply press it. And then in here, you want to search for your group, okay? And you press search up there top, and you type in, for example, let's say basketball or something, or the name of the group, of course, if you have a specific group. And then you want to scroll down until you see suggested channels. And the groups are actually called channels inside Instagram. So what you want to do is just pick the group you would like to join. So for example, let's say I want to join this basketball therapy, everything balls group. As you can see, the second one down here, simply press on it. It will load up. You can see what the group is about, what they're saying in there. And then all you have to do is just press join, which is the blue button on your screen right now. And just like this, you've successfully joined an Instagram group. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.